Page 32, Long, Long Ago. Very well-known melody. I think about every method book, almost every method book has this melody in it. In some arrangement, they've got this piece. Nothing new being added, just using stuff we've already had, and I trust you know the names of the notes in the music. So let's look it over. It's a page long, more or less. Treble bass clef, 4/4 time signature. I see half notes, quarter notes, and whole notes. We've done all that. We got slurs and stuff going on. We can do all that. It starts with the left hand, because the left hand's going to play the stuff in the bottom staff, the right hand in the upper staff. But your fourth finger's on G here. That puts the hand here. Right hand, thumb's on D. That puts the hand here. And of course, they give you that little chart. Please don't use it. Let's look at the music and figure out what to do from the music. Okay, and we're here. Now you got to remember your hand is here. And which finger is on which note, which key. Eventually, we need to develop that. And you do that through practice. And then we play it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And I go through the whole thing and play it out. Count it out carefully. Now remember, you're only counting at the beginning of this when you're first learning it to get the rhythm. Once you have the rhythm, you don't count it anymore. You feel the rhythm because you feel the pulse. You feel the beat. And once I have the notes and the rhythms and the fingering, I'll go through it slowly and get rid of any hesitations. No hesitations anywhere. Never think that, oh, I'll fix it later. It's no big deal. I'll fix it later. Believe me, a hesitation is a big deal. Fix it. Otherwise, it sticks around and you end up practicing the hesitation. It becomes part of the playing. Then I do the articulation. These curved lines appear to be phrase marks. Connect it as best you can. But at the end of the first line here, to go on, lift up, like taking a brand new phrase. Lift up, lift up. So I'm treating all of these curved lines like phrases. Now at the end, the last line, it's here. No, that's not really how this song ends. The song actually ended on the G here. That's it. This part, it's just an afterthought. Okay, so it's... I think on those two measures, I would connect both those measures together. So here it would be one phrase, measure 17. Here, connect. And then you can lift up if you want for the afterthought. A new two-note slurs. Yeah. See, we can have stuff before. It's called an introduction, where you're leading in before the song starts. This doesn't have one, but you could. And you can have stuff at the end after the song ends, called a coda. We'll get to those terms later. And that's sort of what this is. It's a coda. It's just an afterthought. Yeah. That doesn't mean all codas are afterthoughts and all introductions are not important. They are extremely important, and some codas are very much part of the piece. But a lot of codas, like this one, is not. I mean, you could leave out those last two notes and just go, and you're done. Make that a whole note, and you're done. That works too. Now, once I have the articulation in, then I do the dynamics. MF at the beginning is mezzo forte, sort of loud, whatever you think that is. And then in measure 7, come down, sort of soft, and back up again. And at the end, the afterthought, soft. So the last line, you're sort of loud, soft. Yeah, it should be clear to the listener the song ended on the G, not this. That's just extra. And one of the ways we make it clear to the listener is the dynamics. We make sure they're different. Yeah. And then the speed. Well, peacefully, again, is not a speed. It's a very gentle piece, something to listen to before going to bed or such thing. But they have the metronome there. It's about a marching speed, somewhere in there. you pick your speed, whatever you want to. If I played it again, I would play it differently. I play by feel. It's just however I feel it. Now, please remember, don't be reading the finger numbers. You read the finger numbers at the beginning to tell you where to put the hands. Like the first line, that's okay, except for the last measure, the first line. You don't need any other finger numbers. I would encourage you to scratch out all those finger numbers. You need a finger number on measure 1 and a finger number on measure 3, and that's it. So please don't be reading these finger numbers throughout here. Read the notes. Know what the notes are and know where your fingers are. Let's play this together slowly and check that you have the correct notes and rhythms. I'm not going to do the louds and softs. We're not performing it. We're just checking notes and rhythms. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. 2, 3, 4. 2. 2, 3, 4. 2. 2. 2. 2, 3, 4. 2. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, off. I like to do the duet with you, the stuff at the bottom, and you do what you just did. I'll give us 4 counts. Go speed it up a little bit, not full speed that they're saying, but a little bit. Now let's see what happens. And on this one, I'm going to need you to go up 2 octaves here to make it sound good, because it just sounds better because this stuff is, you're too close to it. So just pretend middle C instead of here is 2 octaves. 1, 2. And you're up here. So play it up here. Play it all up here. And you can move over and sit in front of that part of the piano if you want to. 1, 2, ready, go.